Hello, adventurers and seekers of knowledge. Welcome to Did You Know, where we uncover the mysteries of our planet and beyond. Today, we're delving into an incredible discovery, an entirely new energy source unearthed beneath the Antarctic ice. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking potential of this geothermal marvel and its implications for the future of energy. Picture this: a sweeping view of Antarctica, a vast wilderness of ice, wind, and pristine silence. It has long remained an enigmatic continent, frozen and seemingly lifeless. Yet, beneath its frigid layers lies a boiling secret, one that could revolutionize the world's energy future. Far beneath the ice, scientists have uncovered geothermal hotspots, reservoirs of boiling energy waiting to be explored. But what does this mean for the planet, and how can it help solve the growing energy crisis? Let's dive into this groundbreaking discovery with an eye toward a sustainable and ethically responsible future. Antarctica has always captivated humanity as a land of extremes. Its untamed beauty and lifeless appearance hide an extraordinary reality beneath the surface. New research reveals an ecosystem bubbling with untapped geothermal energy. Beneath the icy crust lies volcanic activity that has been quietly heating underground reservoirs for millennia. These boiling pockets, made possible by tectonic movement far below the ice, were only recently revealed thanks to advancements in remote sensing and satellite technology. The apparent paradox of boiling water under frozen ground is not just a scientific marvel, it's potentially the key to a renewable energy revolution. Antarctica, often regarded as an unchanging frozen desert, is now recognized as a dynamic environment that could transform humanity's approach to energy, sustainability, and exploration. For eco-enthusiasts, this realization is a call to action, to proceed with wonder, but also care. So, what exactly is geothermal energy, and why is its presence in Antarctica so profound? Geothermal energy is produced by the heat of Earth's core, which rises to the surface through volcanic and tectonic activity. It's a renewable, clean energy source that has been utilized around the world in places like Iceland and New Zealand. What makes Antarctica distinct is the sheer difficulty of accessing energy buried kilometers beneath dense ice sheets. These boiling reservoirs have remained hidden because of Antarctica's remoteness and extreme conditions, which complicate scientific exploration. Only now, using cutting-edge tools like thermal imaging satellites and ice-penetrating radar, have researchers been able to detect heat signatures under the ice. It's a stark reminder that even in the most inhospitable places on Earth, our planet is alive with energy. The geothermal systems found here are powered by molten rock hidden beneath Antarctica's tectonic plates, which heat subterranean water to boiling temperatures. For the eco-enthusiast, this discovery is nothing short of astonishing, a rare glimpse into Earth's powerful, untapped potential. To fully grasp the significance of this discovery, it's crucial to consider what geothermal energy represents. Unlike finite fossil fuels, geothermal energy is renewable, producing electricity and heat without the carbon emissions that fuel global warming. A source like this could play a key role in reducing fossil fuel dependency for the planet. But Antarctica's geothermal reservoirs represent more than just another renewable resource. They symbolize an opportunity to rethink energy exploration itself. Is it possible to harness this energy without causing harm to one of the world's most pristine environments? Could energy exploration be reconciled with environmental responsibility? These questions hold the key to whether this discovery eventually progresses from theory to practice. Some scientists envision geothermal hotspots one day, powering remote Antarctic research stations, reducing their reliance on carbon-based diesel generators. On a global scale, however, imagining these boiling reservoirs as a source of large-scale energy invites unusual challenges. For eco-enthusiasts and environmentalists, the promise of powering the planet with clean energy must be balanced carefully with ethical considerations. The potential of geothermal energy beneath Antarctica is accompanied by significant hurdles. Extracting energy from beneath kilometers of ice isn't as simple as drilling into the ground in other geothermal hotspots around the globe. First, there's the technical complexity of working in Antarctica's extreme conditions. Temperatures can drop to -80 degrees Celsius, -112 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds howl at over 200 kilometers per hour, and everything, even basic equipment, faces rapid wear and tear. Extracting geothermal fluid from subglacial reservoirs would require advanced technologies, many of which currently exist only as theoretical designs. Second, the ice layers above geothermal sites act as barriers, both logistical and ethical. Disrupting the Antarctic ice sheet, even for energy development, could set off unforeseeable ecological consequences, from altering local ecosystems to accelerating glacial melt. Such impacts would contradict global environmental commitments and conservation ideals. Finally, there are legal and political challenges. Antarctica is governed by international treaties that prohibit commercial exploration and prioritize conservation. Energy exploration here would require global consensus, a diplomatic feat that could easily span decades. These challenges force us to think innovatively. Could accessing Antarctic geothermal energy spur technologies that might later be adapted to harsher exoplanets or planets like Mars? For eco-enthusiasts, these obstacles represent both an ethical dilemma and an exciting frontier. Eco-enthusiasts widely advocate for sustainable energy. However, the discovery under Antarctica offers a lesson in caution. As alluring as the potential is, we must remind ourselves of humanity's responsibility to safeguard the Earth's most pristine environments. Currently, Antarctica serves as a global climate control system, reflecting sunlight and regulating temperatures across the hemisphere. Its ecosystems are uniquely fragile, consisting of microorganisms and species that have evolved over millions of years to endure one of Earth's harshest climates. Any form of resource extraction here risks significant ecological disruption. But what if we could safeguard the environment while still exploring its possibilities? Eco-conscious scientists advocate for an approach steeped in minimal impact. For example, highly localized exploration for energy reserves, conducted solely for research or powering Antarctic stations, may prove viable without altering ecosystems. Another approach could revolve around remote sensor technology, allowing humanity to study geothermal reservoirs without drilling at all. This discovery isn't just about what we can gain, it's about considering what we are willing to risk. As humanity addresses an unfolding energy crisis globally, the Antarctic's boiling reservoirs force us to examine the balance between innovation and preservation. Imagining the future of this geothermal energy source brings another layer of excitement. What could happen if technology overcomes the hurdles of energy extraction under extreme conditions? What futuristic designs might emerge? Space-age drilling machines and heat-insulated technologies might one day offer a way to safely access energy beneath the ice. These innovations could have applications far beyond Antarctica, impacting industries ranging from space travel to disaster resilience. Picture this: geothermal power stations not on Earth but on Mars, relying on tech perfected in Antarctica's extreme conditions. Another vision of the future involves Antarctic research facilities completely powered by geothermal energy. Current stations rely heavily on diesel, transported from halfway across the world and stored in bulk, an unsustainable and risky practice. Transitioning to local sustainable energy would mark a huge step toward carbon neutrality. Yet, large-scale global energy export from Antarctica faces monumental issues. For now, green energy advocates see this discovery primarily as a scientific marvel, a limited opportunity for technological evolution and localized application, rather than an energy revolution. As eco-enthusiasts committed to environmental sustainability, this discovery is an emotional milestone. It reinforces the immense potential of Earth to fulfill our energy needs sustainably. But it also highlights the fine line humanity walks between exploration and exploitation. The boiling reservoirs under Antarctica are more than an energy source. They're a reminder of Earth's hidden wonders. They call for reflection on how these treasures are to be treated. For eco-enthusiasts, the focus must be on ensuring this new horizon is explored with respect, collaboration, and a deep commitment to conservation principles. Advocacy will be crucial in steering environmental stewardship toward the forefront. By rallying support around eco-conscious exploration, activists can ensure policymakers maintain the protections that keep Antarctica wild and untarnished. Supporting such initiatives sends a clear message: innovation doesn't have to cost the planet. So what comes next? The Antarctic geothermal discovery underscores how much of our planet remains unexplored, mysterious, and full of potential. For scientists, the immediate focus is further investigation. For enthusiasts, it's an invitation to imagine the possibilities. Perhaps this boiling energy remains untapped, reserved as a natural marvel. Or perhaps it becomes a model for future Earth-friendly energy solutions. Either way, this discovery marks a turning point in how humanity thinks about energy. The lessons Antarctica teaches us might guide us in creating a world based not on exploitation, but environmental partnership. Let this boiling secret beneath the ice serve as a beacon, a reminder that as we push boundaries in energy exploration, our responsibility for protecting the planet must never waver. With Antarctica's boiling energy sparking global curiosity, there's no better time to imagine the future together. How do you think this discovery should be approached? What limits should guide humanity as we venture further into Earth's hidden reserves? Let's take this journey with collective care, bridging innovation with stewardship. Whether you're a scientist, a policymaker, or an eco-enthusiast, your perspective matters in shaping the choices we make. The boiling world beneath Antarctica is bursting with opportunities, but only if we are intentional in safeguarding it. Let's embark on this era of exploration not by conquering, but by understanding, because the Arctic's last frontier is also one of its most precious gifts. Thank you for joining this journey of discovery below the ice. If you're inspired by this geothermal wonder, please like, share, and subscribe to Did You Know? Continue exploring powerful ideas that light up the world. Remember, beneath the surface lies untold energy. What shall we discover next? Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.